皆さんこんにちは、あかりです。今日はスペシャルゲストコリーナと日本とクロアチアの学校制度の違いについてちょっと喋りたいと思います。イエーイイエーイ義務教育の年数の違いとか、あと給食はあるのかとかをちょっとコリーナに質問したいと思います。Are you ready? Okay. First, do you remember this shirt?
Yes, I remember.
Really?
Yes. When I saw you in this shirt, I remember it.
When? It was 9 years old?
When I was 10, 11,
Really?
maybe 8. No, maybe 9. I mean, I love this shirt.
Really? Thank
Yes.
you. I'm really wearing at home. I think before I came 5 years before, when you was 9 years old, and then I took picture. It was already you're higher than me. You remember this picture?
Oh, yeah.
I was so surprised when you asked your age, and then you said 9 years old, and I was
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
Yeah, I was kind of tall. When I was in like first, second, third, and fourth grade, I was always from first to third in height, but now I'm always the tallest in class.
Okay, so now you're which grade now?
I'm now 7th grade.
7th grade. From when you will start a new grade? Because it's different. Japan, we start from April until March. This is
We
one grade.
start in September and finish in
June. Oh, okay. So now you're 7th grade.
Yes.
How years old now?
I'm now 13 years old, and in I will be 14 years old.
So 14 years old, the student will be 8th grade.
Yes.
Okay, this is difference. First one.
Yes.
How long do you have grade? The minimum school system.
We are 6 from 7 years old when we are in 1st grade, and then elementary school is until 8th grade, and we're like 15 years old, and then we go to, is that called middle school or high school?
I heard
middle
about
school, but you were wrong. It's not elementary. It is actually primary.
that. Yes, primary school. So from 1 to 8th grade you have.
Yes.
Yes.
Interesting. So, because in Japan we have elementary school for 6 years, and then we go to junior high school for 3 years. This is minimum. We have to go this 9 years, and then we go to for 3 years high school, and some people go to college. Yeah, 4 years or 2 years. Like it depends what they want to be. Oberbezno school is 8 years.
Yes.
8 years is primary school, and 3 to 4 are middle school, and college is up to 5 years, I think.
How many years the government will pay for you and for school?
It will pay for primary school and middle school, but we only have to buy word books,
Notebooks as well.
and notebooks. That is common sense. I don't know. I'm not sure for middle school if you get books for free, but I think you do. And in primary school, you get free books to use for 1 school year, but you have to return them at the end.
Oh.
Or you can buy them and have it.
You can choose. But I have a question. If you borrow the textbook, you cannot write on the textbook.
We shouldn't, But
But-
I can literally see some kids that drive on their. I mean, it was more.
Under marker or something.
Yes, you can see that. I mean,
Yeah.
it's rules that they really can't, but they still do.
And there's some books where the whole page is ripped.
Yes.
Mm.
So
Like a history book.
Yeah, great. That is great because in Japan we have to buy a textbook, workbook, of course,
Yeah.
notebooks. Yeah, that is good system. If you go to middle school, you have to take
No.
some exam.
Yes.
yes, but I mean it's new rules that now you have to take them.
Really?
Before you could just go into whatever high school, middle school you want.
Except for test.
Yeah, I think we'll be the first or the second, like group that will have to take the exams.
Okay, next. About lunchtime. How do you eat lunchtime?
So before we had to pay for that, but
Now not.
now,
Now
I
we
mean,
don't.
this will be the first one that the food will actually be free. But we don't have
Oh.
cantinas or something. We
Oh.
have
We eat in our classrooms or outside.
we eat in our classrooms or outside,
Ah,
and they ordered actually food.
order before you take lunch.
I mean, the school orders, I think, some food, and I think we have 2 to 3 days out of 5 we have food. But the others we have or yogurt or milk, and we have sometimes croissant. Sometimes we have some pumpkin bread or something like that. But before we had to pay monthly. And then you get to choose if you want to continue have the school lunch, or you can just take yours from whatever where you want. When it was when we had to pay, there was only one student who was taking that school lunch.
In my
But-
school, in my class, it was just nobody.
Oh, really?
Yes.
We have a lunch break about 20 minutes.
Many minutes.
Yes.
Long.
Yes, but some schools have 15 minutes.
Mm.
And that time we have to be outside. Only if it's raining, we get to be in school. I mean, like in a classroom. We can be in school, but not really that much.
Also, you don't have the changing class.
We
Before
need
I
to-
mentioned you, if you are first 1A, and then you will be 2A, 3A, 4A forever until 8th grade.
Yes,
Yes.
we don't change that. Only if you change schools, but only if you go to different school.
In Japan, we have lunchtime after school. It's around 45-50 minutes. And we have group for prepare meal. And this group around, I think, 10, let's say 10 people. And this group borrow some specific clothes, some white clothes we wear. We put
Chef cat.
yes.
Hats.
cap and mask, and then we go to it has container for food. It's the next to school, and then we serve meals. And some school make group, let's say 5 groups. We move tables, and then we enjoy lunch, blah blah blah. I think
That's very
this is only Japan.
I also
Maybe?
think actually
Probably.
it's only.
Next, about holiday. How long do you have summer vacation?
3 months. I mean,
Yes.
2.5 to 3 months. Yep, how you want to say.
For 2 months and a half.
Yes, we have 2 weeks for the first winter break, and then we have the second part of the week.
Winter break, which is
winter
just 1
break.
week.
Ooh, it's quite long because in Japan, I think we have only 1 month in summertime.
Wouldn't.
Winter time, I think approximately 2 weeks.
We have
Yeah.
3 weeks, right? In
Yes.
total.
Yes, we-
The second part is 1 week, so yeah, we have about 3
Practically
weeks
3
in
weeks
total.
Maybe in Japan there's some few holidays, national holiday. So it depends here.
In spring for Easter we have 2 weeks.
Yeah,
I think.
for Easter we have 1 or 2 weeks.
I think 2, but maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah.
1
Easter
to
is
2 weeks.
big,
1 to
big
2 weeks.
holiday, right?
Yes.
Easter, yeah.
Yeah, 1 to 2
Easter
weeks. I can
and
remember.
Christmas are kind of big holidays here.
In the vacation, you will receive some homework.
No, we don't have.
No, the
homework.
teachers say just
Zero.
read a bit, read a bit, and
They just say like read a bit so you don't forget everything.
Really?
Mhm.
I'm jealous. Because in Japan we receive a lot of homework from science, from mathematics, from Japanese.
Yeah,
from
I'm glad. I'm glad.
Something.
I'm glad.
But I think Japan is a really nice country, actually,
Yeah, it's
And
a really nice
Why do you
country.
think like this?
because it's
The system, it's
yes.
much more better. I mean,
Sorry,
this
yeah.
is our opinion. Some people might think that it's that this country is the worst, maybe the best. That's
Some
their
do
opinion.
not know
and this
it
is ours.
exists.
Yeah. All country has some good point and bad point. So
Yeah, they have good points and bad points.
yeah,
Yes.
this is normal things. You learning German.
Yes.
Yes.
How many years do you learning?
From 4th grade
From
to
4th
8th
grade to
grade,
8th grade.
you could
Some can quit at the end of the school year if they want.
But I'm
Some
going
can
for
join,
it.
but like if you join in 7th grade, it's gonna be real tough.
I learned Germany in
German.
university student. In university, but
That's very
I
interesting.
cannot remember even one word. Yes, I didn't ask you about cleaning time. Your school, do you have some cleaning time?
No, we don't have.
No, we have
cleaning time.
staff that cleans the school.
Yeah, we have staff that clean school.
Oh.
I think it's the same in all countries, right? In all, not countries.
In most countries, it's the same.
When
Yeah.
they clean.
When
school.
at every like break, they if
clean
you're
the classrooms?
switching classrooms,
Mhm.
maybe you're going from English to mathematics, and
Okay.
there's nobody in the English one. They clean the English one, and then
Oh.
in between
Classes?
the morning and the afternoon.
They clean it at lunch break, and they clean it at the end of the school day.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
For school, if you know, how do Japanese schools deal with some students that have dyslexia or dysgraphia, where they have problems with writing and reading?
Can you retake the exams?
Can you know what?
Can you retake the exams if you fail? If
Oh,
we get an F,
um,
then we have to retake it until we have a positive grade, like D or C or B or A. I failed the exam, but she gave me 1 extra point so I can get it on D. But
Also,
I need the points, so I asked her to retake the test, and I did, and I got an A.
Okay, thank you for answering my questions. It's really interesting for me. There's many differences.
Yeah, there surely is.
Yeah. So, but maybe you will join next time. We will see.
We will see.
はい、今日はいろいろコリーナに質問させていただきました。少しでもためになるなと思ったらチャンネル登録と高評価よろしくお願いします。それではまた別の動画で会いましょう。またねー。